This is a JAMB pass question and I want us to solve it together. The question says, a gas occupies a volume of 1.5 liters at a pressure of 2 atmosphere. If the pressure is increased to 4 atmosphere, while the temperature remains constant, what will be the new volume of the gas? If you look at this question, it is a gas question. So we'll need to apply a law. You know of gaseous law, we have Boyle's law, we have Gay-Lussac's law, and we even have the Charles law. So now, to know which of the laws to use, you need to check the question. In the question, it says the temperature remains constant. So if you study very well, you will know that Boyle's law is to be used in this place. You know, Boyle's law talks about the volume of a gas and the pressure of a gas. It talks about the relationship. So now, what does Boyle's law state? Boyle's law states that the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to the volume of a gas at a constant temperature. And according to the question, you can see the temperature remains constant. So now, let us write the equation. The equation, if you have studied, you will know it is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So I will still derive this later, but let us continue. So now let us talk about the parameters. In the question, we were given the volume, which is the initial volume. We call that the V1. We are given as 1.5 liters, or you can call it 1.5 dm cube. The P1, what is the initial pressure? The initial pressure is 2 atmosphere. 2 atmosphere. What is the final temperature? Oh, sorry, the final volume. That is what we are looking for. We don't know it. And the final pressure is what? The final pressure is 4 atmosphere according to the question. So now let us put all of these parameters in the question that we were given to solve. Let us continue. Our P1 is 2 atmosphere. So we have 2 times, what is our V1, which is our initial volume? 1.5 is equal to, what is P2? Our P2 is 4 atmosphere. 4 times, what is our V2? We don't know. So let us represent it with V. You can put V or V2, anyone that you want. So now let us solve it. 2 times 1.5. You can take your calculator out. That will give you 3. Is equal to 4 times V will give you 4V. Are you getting that? So now we will just do this. Divide both sides by 4. So divide both sides by 4. So as the V, for it to remain on its own. So V will be equal to what? 3 over 4 liters, or 3 over 4 dm cube. So now let us convert this to decimal. How many 4 can we see in 3? That is 0. You can put 0. You can put your calculator. It will give you 0.75. So 0.75 liters. I believe this is understood. So this video is proudly sponsored by class 54. If you want to solve, or if you want a better explanation of how to solve this kind of a question, just download the class 54 app to prepare for your JAMB examination. See you